Hey guys, Terry Brighton here in Wingham, Ontario. It's July 19th, 2025, and I have another stroker here on the test stand. This one here is Andrew's, and it's going in a 72 Duster. Andrew's from Meaford, Ontario, and he said he wanted me to put him together a great sounding engine. So what I did is I told him about the Thumper cams. They sacrifice a little bit of power, in my opinion, to give you that big thumpy sound. I do like the sounds of the Thumpers, and so did he, so he said go ahead and put it in. This one here is a 20-600-9. No, it's a 601-9, so it's the second smallest hydraulic roller. So this engine, this 408, has a Thumper cam, and it's the second from the smallest. Has the IC 9978 pistons, and it has the last of my CNC ported Speedmaster heads. So just out of curiosity, Andrew wants to see what kind of horsepower this makes with the Thumper cam and the Speedmaster heads. So it is going to Daryl Waters' Dyno next week, July 26th. That's a Saturday. And I have got a few other videos I got to put on, so I'll put them on. And what I'll try to do, I'm not a photo editor or video editor. I'm going to try to match this video with the Dyno video, and we'll see what kind of numbers it makes. But mainly this one here is a video to show Andrew what this thing sounds like, and for the YouTube channel, so you guys know what it sounds like. So we'll start her up. Those Brawler cars, they are responsive. This stroker has Speedmaster rockers on it, and they're actually quite quiet. They're quieter than the top Pro Magnum and quarter per cot. And there's Andrew's 408. Like I said, I'll try to patch this video with the Dyno video, and if I can't figure that out, I'm going to put two videos on. But anyways, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you guys later. We're here at Daryl Waters today. It's July 26, 2025. We got a 406 cubic inch. There's a gynecologist, a 406 cubic inch small block Mopar on the dyno. It's going to Andrew in Meaford for his 72 Duster. We're going to see what kind of horsepower this is. It's our last pull of the day.